Actually, I was just earlier. I was just all. I know that brand is all about logo, but it is not about logo. It is about the perception you make in a people's mind. So that's what I really want to is in future, in after few days, if I'll be starting my company, so I'm not being focusing on only the logo part, but how I can convey my message to people. So yeah, so can you please, if you don't mind, can you please tell me, so if suppose in starting a branding, so how should I name a firm names? How should I do a firm name selections? Like how do I do a brainstorming to select a firm name? Because before selecting a firm name, I can't go for the designing or branding process of my own company. So can you please, if you don't mind, can you please help me out?
Sure, sure. So, see, there are impromptu ways. Impromptu in the sense, impromptu. Apple, आ गया Apple, रख दिया. मतलब
Okay.
न्यूटन बैठा था झाड़ के नीचे, एप्पल गिरा, मैंने नाम एप्पल रखा कंपनी का. क्रिएटिव, इनोवेटिव. सो देयर आर इम्प्रॉम्प्टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. बट अभी एज यू हैव आस्क्ड this question to me, I'll explain you the process which we guys follow, or people are following to come to a proper brand name. Now, before you jump onto a brand name, you should start with the same thing, that who am I, building this stuff for. My product or service is for whom, किसके लिए है वो. So now LSLT is what I have, the short form of logo से logo तक. Now why I have kept English approach. English, as you see, it's not completely English because my consumers are tier 2 tier 3 consumers.
Okay.
tier 2 tier 3 यानी कि जो मे बी मुंबई, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली या प्राइम, एकदम प्राइम लोकेशंस जो हैं, सिटीज हैं, उससे बिलोंग नहीं करते, विच इज फाइन. तो एंड language barrier is their problem. So first you will have to define a consumer. Okay, who is your consumer? And the problem with us is that when we start some agency or some service, we feel that every client is our consumer, or everybody is our client
Yeah,
जिसको
yeah.
करवाना है. And I've worked with companies who are very much service specific. Service specific यानी कि if I'm into UI UX or web and tech, then I'll stick to this. Then I'm not into social media, digital marketing, influencer marketing, etc. So if I'm into influencer marketing, I'll stick to influencer marketing. So you getting?
Yeah.
The problem. So first you need to understand the be service specific if you can. Be be specific when it comes to who the consumer is. I'm giving you the answer for name only, कि नाम तक कैसे आना है. But नाम तक आने के लिए पहले आपको ये थोड़ा सा क्लियर करना पड़ेगा जितना भी हो सके उतना. सो सर्विस मैं क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, मैं किसके लिए वो प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ. अभी इससे भी बड़ा पॉइंट, द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट यू शुड keep in mind while you are naming a company is the narrative or the story that you want to tell to the world.
Okay. Okay.
Why? Because today you are starting with XYZ service, but tomorrow you can also you may expand, right? मतलब
Yeah. Yeah.
आज हम शायद बुक बेच रहे हैं, like Amazon का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, but tomorrow I may expand. So the naming of a company depends on your vision, your values, and your story that you want to tell to the world.
Okay.
जैसे कि Amazon kept the name Amazon because they wanted to sell everything under the sun online. So I want everything in A to Z. I want everything and anything to be sold on my online store, and which nobody was doing. I want to do it quickly. That I want to sell everything under my name, and it's such a vast portal that I want to build. So vastness, scalability, everything under one roof was the agenda. जिससे Amazon नाम मे बी उन्होंने सिलेक्ट किया होगा because they want to do this. So you need to first crack why. Like I hope, like, bro, I'm not I'm being very clear with you when I'm talking, so it's fine,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
Fine. Fine.
answering rightly? Okay,
Yeah.
great. So what is the story that you want to tell to the world? Maybe you want to tell the world that in tomorrow's digital world, it is impossible to do business until unless you don't have good app or a web presence. So maybe you are preparing the businesses for tomorrow. A very cliched, but like the crux. Okay, this is how you need to like the way I prepared a story first, that I've not fabricate नहीं किया, genuine story है कि
Mhm.
really India has this problem of not understanding branding well, and I'll see how I can simplify this whatever with the best capacity I can. And then I need a mission statement जो मैं बोल पाऊँ that so लोगों से लोगों तक craft हुआ. So creativity बाद में आती है, but first you need to decide what do I want to speak. So I decided I want to tell the world that branding is beyond logo. It's not just about making a logo. Now how do I speak this to people जिससे उनको ये fit हो जाए mind में.
Mhm.
So लोगों से लोगों तक. So LSLT नाम आया.
Okay.
So similarly, you need to figure out that what message I want to give to the world, what is my story all about, and what is my vision. So do I want to build a store which is as vast as so and so that everything so under my XYZ business or under my XYZ brand, people will get anything and everything that they think for their business that they need digitally. Like if they need to set their shop digitally, I'm the best guy or my brand is the best guy for them. So
Okay.
this is how you need to first decide the message and the story, then you decide the naming. And then there are legalities also, like a brand name and company name are also sometimes different, sometimes same.
Okay.
The Paytm is a brand name, but 197 Communications Limited is a company name.
Yeah. Yeah.
So company name, but sometimes they both can be same as well. So uh, Reliance Footprints or Reliance Industries Limited. So Industries Limited is the company, Reliance Footprints is the brand. So
Mhm.
um, legalities mein you also need to check whether the brand name is available on. I've given this in the session also in further
Yeah.
videos. IP Online India करके website है. So IP Online India, where you
Okay.
can check कि आपका जो नाम आप सोच रहे हो, whether it is available or no, or somebody has already trademarked that.
Okay. IP Online India.
IP Online India. I have mentioned this in further sessions also. If you
Okay.
as you unlock.
Yeah.
So usually, so Vigyapan. If you see Vigyapan नाम कैसे आया? Because I knew that I wanted to uh, be be specific about advertising industry, like
Mhm.
branding, advertising and design industry. So Vigyapan. अभी legality के चक्कर में I cannot keep Vigyapan, which is the original spelling of
Spelling. Yeah.
really type it in English,
Mhm.
but no legal allocations being done on this name. So I did not get this name because it's even this was already taken by someone. So Vigyapan. If you see, the pun is because my tonality is little quirky, humorous, edutaining. So it's not about completely theory education, something like that. So we are little and quirky in our approach. So I know okay, even today, even tomorrow, any product or any service that I build, it will have the quirk in it. So
Okay.
PUN was थोड़ा सा उसको ट्वीक कर दिया फिर, और आगे के स्पेलिंग को भी ट्वीक किया, एंड देन मिल गया हमें इसका ये
Name.
हाँ नेम देन मिल गया विज्ञापन VGYAPUN. यू सी मिंत्रा MYNTRA सब ने कुछ ना कुछ ट्वीक किया ही है टू गेट द लीगल स्टफ.
Okay. So a lot of stuff has been gone for a name
हाँ हाँ एब्सोल्युटली. सो नंबर वन कम्स योर. सो आई एम
story.
बीइंग वेरी, सो मैंने जो नाम रखा है वो बहुत ही सर्विस या जो हम विज्ञापन, सो एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग अंडर एडवर्टाइजिंग, बिकॉज आई नो कि मैं पूरी लाइफ एडवर्टाइजिंग में ही कुछ तो करने वाला हूँ, उतना मुझे कंफर्म पता है. सो
Okay.
विज्ञापन, अभी विज्ञापन के अंडर आप विज्ञापन चाहे एजुकेशन कर लो, आप विज्ञापन मीडिया कुछ कर सकते हो, विज्ञापन XYZ चालू कर सकते हो. सो स्केलेबिलिटी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Okay.
स्केलेबिलिटी मतलब कि विज्ञापन को मैंने लिमिटेड नहीं रखा टू
Mhm.
एजुकेशन, नेम नहीं रख दिया कि एजुकेशन ही कर पाऊँ. कुछ
समझ गया मैं.
लेवरेज करना, लाइक इफ आई वांट टू लेवरेज इट, if the brand name becomes big, जैसे Playboy became big. Now Playboy can sell merchandise, Playboy can sell movies, anything, because the name is scalable.
Hmm.
Amazon Prime, Amazon this, Amazon that. So name should also be scalable. That even if you expand into other categories somewhere down the line,
Mhm.
You won't feel like changing it because it is not going with the other category.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how you have to make sure कि आपकी स्टोरी क्या है, आपका मैसेज क्या देना चाहते हो अपनी ऑडियंस को, कितना स्केलेबल है ये नाम, आगे आगे तो दिक्कत नहीं आएगी अगर हम इफ वी आर गोइंग विद अदर सर्विसेज, एंड लीगली अवेलेबिलिटी उसकी क्या है, एंड आई गेस दैट्स these are some fundamentals which we take care while naming.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vivek.
I hope this helped like somewhat.
Yeah, somewhat it helps. Yeah, so मतलब थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक आइडिया हो गया है, बट मुझे इतना नहीं पता था कि इतना स्टफ होगा पीछे इसके नेमिंग के. So it is like I was like thinking, so I would select 100 names and out of 100 I would be recutting to 20 and then 15 and then 5. So ऐसे link नहीं हो पाएगा. So it would be possible to create a story first. So
हाँ exactly.
एक स्टोरी क्रिएट हो so that वो मतलब लिंक दो मेरे से, so that वो नेम में लिंक और नेम में फिर रिफ्लेक्ट भी हो पाए.
Everything is a vision and story, वो बहुत important है वो. Even you won't believe, like even when I'm dealing with this investors, when I talk to them, when I pitch them, the first question, everything apart, what is your product, what is your feature of the product, सब side में रखो, tell me your story. That's the only thing at early stage companies, or very the companies which are really start, maybe companies, maybe organizations, anything, who are very much in the early stage, the only thing that can help them pitch is the story. Like they attract right consumers because of the story, they attract right team because of the story, they attract right the investors because of the story. And bro, I like your story, I would like to be part of this vision. So that's how they join your mission or the organization.
Okay,
So,
got your point.
and then comes the name and how creative you can be, and so first comes the story and the vision.
Okay, thank you, Vivek.
Yes, buddy.